Creating and sending email campaigns in HubSpot is a straightforward process, but it can help you better engage with your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide in order to set this up in HubSpot. So in HubSpot, head over to marketing and then down to email. And then from here, all you need to do is really create your first email that you want to send off to people. So create email. Choose from regular, automated, or blog RSS. So if it's a one-off email that you're sending off to an audience, you can just choose regular. If you're sending a whole cadence of emails, you can choose automated, which then it gets triggered from a workflow. And then blog RSS just allows you to publish your content from the blog and then send updates to your email subscribers. For this one, I'm just going to choose a regular email. So from here, just select your template. You can either use some custom templates that you've already set up for your brand, or use one of the HubSpot templates that are already set up in here. I'm just gonna choose a random one today. So you can add in buttons that can link over to call to actions. You can also add in images and videos, but just be conscious that videos may take a while to load and could impact the user experience when reading it. So alternatively, you can add in a GIF. Once you've got your copy all set up and you're happy with how it looks, head on over to the settings and then just add in a nice engaging subject line to draw people in. Chuck in some preview text to give them a little bit more context of what they're going to see when they click into it. Choose a subscription type based on the subscribers you want to receive this email. And then make sure you add it to a marketing campaign so you can start tracking it within that campaign and its results. So over in Send or Schedule, you can actually choose which contact lists you want to send this to. So that could be segmented lists based on specific subscribers or people interested in certain products, or maybe this is an email that you want to send out to your current customers. Make sure you've created the list and then choose those lists that you want to send out to. You can also choose exclusion lists to make sure that you're avoiding sending it out to the wrong people. Finally, you can either send it right now or schedule for later and then actually set it up in your plan so you can work ahead. You can set up some automations as well if that's what you want to do, but for today, I think that's pretty straightforward. The only other thing that I would recommend that you do is make sure you preview the email as a contact. Just see how it looks both on a browser as well as mobile. It's really important to make sure that your email looks good from a mobile perspective because so many people are using their mobiles these days. One thing to keep in mind is images, videos, and GIFs, they all have the ability to link off to other pages, really. So it's really best practices to make sure that if somebody clicks on those images, that you've actually set up a link for it to direct to. And that could actually be driving to landing pages, other relevant pages that's going to give them more information about that email that you just sent to them. From here, review and schedule. Make sure that those errors are all fixed up, but you do have the ability to send yourself a test email just to make sure it is showing up how you expect it to in your inbox, and then pretty much turn on and test as you go. That's it for today. Don't forget to have fun while you're doing it. If you want to learn more about this, like and follow us and check out our other videos. Other than that, happy HubSpotting.